This is the new DJI Air 2S.
This is the DJI Air 2S.
Today we're checking out the Mavic Air 2S.
Huge thank you to DJI for sponsoring this video and sending this drone over to me for free.
Just drones.
This is the DJI Air.
It's the S version. It's shooting 5.2K.
Are you just like me? During the winter time you're gaining that extra weight. You keep promising to yourself that you're gonna lose it as soon as the spring and the sun comes out. Yeah, that's what happened with me with every single year. At every single New Year's Eve I'm promising myself that I'm gonna work out that extra weight that I have on myself, and well, it's never come true. So during this winter time I've gained too much extra weight. I've reached the highest weight level, and yeah, I decided to do something with it. Since the New Year's Eve I've lost like 17 pounds. I'm still over 20 pounds or something like that, and I have to try to lose it, but this is gonna happen only the hard way.
Distance 2 miles.
I've noticed from the other YouTubers that DJI just released a new drone, Mavic Air 2S, and guess what? They forgot about me again. I guess they only interested in collaboration with those huge channels. By the way, we just reached 50,000 subscribers and 10 million views on the channel, so thank you. So I just want to say a few words about the Mavic Air 2S that came out today. I did quick research about that drone, and I have to say, if you have already Mavic Air 2, the one that came out 2 months ago, I would just suggest to stay with what you have right now. The biggest difference about those two drones is the camera. Mavic Air 2S has a 1-inch sensor, and it's able to record the image in 5K resolution, but to be honest, you're not going to be able to see the difference, even if I'm going to record the videos in that 5K, just because my timeline that I'm editing my videos on is set for 4K, so it's already reducing that pixels. Also takes stills with 20 megapixels resolution instead of 12, but I gotta say those 12 megapixels is enough. You as a recreational drone operator, you're not gonna need that extra resolution that the new drone is giving you. But the downside, and the huge downside, is 4K 60 frames per second image has a crop, 2 times crop, which means your every single shot will be zoomed twice. And this is huge, especially if you're flying near some objects. You're doing that point of interest shot. Having that 2 times crop is gonna turn your image to garbage. You're gonna have to record in 30 frames per second, which is not gonna allow you to slow down the footage. Consider that the new Mavic 2S is $300 more expensive. For this kind of money, I would just suggest you to get extra 3 batteries and fly more. Today is 45 Fahrenheit, which is around 5 Celsius, so still doesn't feel like a spring at all, unless you look at things like that. if you're planning to get the drone right now, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description. You can use this one if you like. That will help a little bit. I'm gonna get a small portion of your transaction. If not, that's okay. I'm happy with that you're with me right now, so that's good enough. So thanks again for 50,000 subscribers and 10 million views. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And now, let's get back to work.
Kilocalories burned.
400? That's not even one beer.